So I was headed up to do a video the other day and I spotted something our flying buddy would want to film, so let's give him a shout. There he is. Hi buddy, how you doing? Everything okay? No? Well, what's wrong? Is it because they haven't been using you in a while? It's been a little while since you've flown, is that what it is? Oh, okay, well, sorry about that, but I do have something for you to film, so go ahead and check it out. Parkersburg, Pennsylvania is getting a new water system. The old system consisted of an old pump house and what one councilman described as a giant swimming pool in the woods. Enter the new 750,000 gallon water tower. Two tanks able to hold 1 million gallons each will handle the water storage. Here you come. All right, buddy, did you have a good time? That's good. Good. I'm glad you enjoyed it. All right, folks, if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like. And if you like the channel content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell notification to let you know when I'm going to upload a new video. Folks, we'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.